It is often said that children are the future of the church. With a recorded global population of over 2 million children under the age of 15 attending Freedom Apostolic Revival International Ministry churches nationwide FARIM, they make up a large percentage of its current population. Undeniably, their development as young disciples of Jesus also impacts on the future of the FARIM's growth. This year's annual celebration is an opportunity to acknowledge the worth of children and the important role they play in the church. In the same vein, the Freedom Apostolic Revival International Ministry provides children with the opportunity to engage in compassion ministry and service, spreading the love of God to their friends and neighbors, and contributing to the proclamation of the everlasting gospel. Representing the wife of the General Overseer of the FARIM Church, Mrs. Adeoye urged parents, guardians and caregivers to always be security conscious towards ensuring the safety and well-being of their children.
You need to give your life to Christ and teach these children, teach them, I beg. Most of our parents, let me switch to this children thing. We really need to give these children attention. We need to love them. We need to give them attention. Most of parents nowadays, before we need attention, what they go through, could affect
Let your children come to children's church. There's a lot happening there. In children's church, we give them a whole-round development. It is not just spiritual. We give them physical. We give them educative. We give them all-round development. So let them come to our children's church.
I should at least make the children go to school so that they can come out in flying colors, so that they can take care of them.
I love service because of service is the most interesting thing. Service is the most interesting thing about God.
They made me proud. I'm so excited. Everything was awesome. It was worth it. It's worth the time we've dedicated and everything, the efforts.
In conclusion, children are all advised to always see themselves as one family and embrace each other in furtherance to actualize their dreams in life. In Lagos, Jennifer Osu reporting for Newsbuster TV.